Choosing between the sliding gate and the swinging gate? If you live in Sydney's eastern suburbs, this quick guide will help you choose the right option for your home. Sliding gates move sideways along the fence line, while swinging gates open in or out on hinges. Both work well, but each suits different spaces. In tighter areas like Paddington, Bondi Junction and Willara, sliding gates are often the better choice. If you've got space, suburbs like Maroubra, Kensington and parts of Coogee suit swinging gates well. Eastern Sydney isn't flat. For sloped driveways in Bellevue Hill, Dover Heights and Vaucluse, sliding gates handle gradients far better than swinging gates. In coastal suburbs like Bondi, Bronte and Tamarama, wind matters. Swinging gates can catch gusts, while sliding gates tend to stay more stable, especially with slatted aluminium designs. Both gate types can be secure and automated. Sliding gates are often harder to force open and place less strain on motors, making them popular in busy areas like Randwick, Double Bay and Rose Bay. For short or sloped driveways, choose a sliding gate. For wide, flat driveways with space, choose a swinging gate. And for properties with high wind exposure, choose a sliding gate. The right gate depends on your block, location and daily use. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Sydney home tips.